Most men don't think twice about their sperm health until it's too late. The truth is, many everyday habits can damage sperm without you even realizing it. But don't worry, today we'll uncover the hidden dangers, how to identify damaged sperm, and most importantly, how to keep your swimmers healthy. Sperm are surprisingly sensitive. Everyday habits and environmental factors can harm them. Here are the most common ways men unknowingly damage their sperm: heat exposure, long hours with laptops on your lap, frequent use of hot tubs, or tight underwear can increase scrotal temperature, harming sperm production. Poor diet, junk food, sugary drinks, and lack of nutrients can affect sperm quality. Smoking and alcohol, these introduce toxins that reduce sperm count and affect motility. Stress, chronic stress increases cortisol, which can interfere with testosterone levels, leading to poor sperm health. Toxins and chemicals, frequent exposure to pesticides, heavy metals, or even household cleaners can damage sperm DNA. How can you tell if your sperm is damaged? The signs aren't always obvious, but there are ways to find out. Difficulty conceiving. If you and your partner have been trying for a year without success, it may point to sperm issues. Semen analysis, a medical test can measure sperm count, motility, how well they swim, and morphology, shape. Hormonal tests, low testosterone or hormonal imbalances can indicate issues with sperm production. Visible changes, rarely, issues like discoloration or texture changes in semen might signal a problem. If you suspect something might be wrong, consult a healthcare provider for a detailed evaluation. The good news? Protecting your sperm health is simpler than you might think. Maintain a healthy diet, eat foods rich in antioxidants like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and fruits. Zinc, folate, and omega-3s are especially beneficial for sperm health. Exercise regularly. Moderate exercise boosts testosterone levels, improving sperm production. Avoid overtraining, which can have the opposite effect. Reduce heat exposure, wear breathable underwear, avoid prolonged laptop use on your lap, and limit time in saunas or hot tubs. Quit smoking and limit alcohol, these toxins reduce sperm count and quality. Manage stress, practice mindfulness, yoga, or deep breathing to keep cortisol levels in check. Avoid environmental toxins, minimize contact with pesticides, heavy metals, and plastics containing BPA. Regular checkups, a yearly health checkup can catch problems early and give you peace of mind. There are also many myths about sperm health. Let's bust a few. Myth: tight underwear always causes infertility. Truth: it may increase heat but isn't a standalone cause. Myth: age doesn't matter for men's fertility. Truth: sperm quality declines with age, especially after 40. Myth: supplements alone can improve sperm health. Truth: supplements help, but lifestyle changes are more impactful. Your sperm health plays a crucial role in fertility and overall well-being. By making simple changes, you can significantly improve your chances of a healthy family and a healthy life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to get healthy soon, and share it with someone who needs this information. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Let's talk.